for the most part, sa ibang game sila yung lumalamang eh.
KG Canaleta. What a move. Perfect English on that basketball. KG, 10-6. Robbie Manalang, one of those bets for Coach Boyet. KG backing down, taking his time. Nice move, KG Canaleta. As we take a look at this play of the game, brought to you by Buenas. It's practically a clinic by KG Canaleta. Not the best of angles, battle for the loose ball. It's Joseph Peña-Redondo. Joseph attacking, Peña-Redondo misses. Offensive rebound, napaganda ba? Basket and one. Played for Caloocan. Robbie, 5 seconds. Escamis knows about it. Down to 2 seconds. Sumang to beat the buzzer. That's good. The first bucket of Roy Sumang as a member of the Abra Weavers.
Trivia lang kung mapapansin nyo from the coaching staff to the players, same sila ng hairstyle. Apparently, after losing in PSL, ito daw ang consequence ng kanilang boss na si Boss Monching Talisayan sa kanila. Lahat daw, kailangan magpakalbo.
Ang tanong ko lang, kada talo ba nila dito sa MPPL? Pagupit ulit. Maubusan na sila ng buhok yan.
So, Loisa, matanong ko lang, how long have you been supporting Ronnie sa kanyang basketball career?
Simula talaga nag-umpisa kami, nakilala ko si Ronnie, nagbabasketball na siya. So mag-8 years na akong cheerleader.
Mark Fingers and Poy Poy Yaktub are eating popcorn with Ronnie Alonte. Enjoying this game inside the Alonte Sports Arena. I wonder what they're talking about. 7 points and 4 rebounds. Estrada. Sizing up Neil. There's the cross, the push. That's a charge. Good defense by Neil Tolentino. Robbie Manalang saw an opening. Tough pass. KG fakes. Canaleta turning around against Ino Comboy. KG. Tough shot. Oh, KG Canaleta.
Classic KG.
KG, after draining the shot, was just called for his 4th foul. Hands by Comboy. Great anticipation. And here's the counter. Alley-oop. Maestre. No, that wasn't Maestre. That was Mike Cañete. Able to catch it perfectly and score. DL. So Coach Tantan also has to prepare for his departure. That's a turnover. Foot race. Kenny Roca curva all the way, and there's a foul.
Ibang klase yung takbo.
Here you go. And Kenny actually had numbers. 3 trailers helping him out. An awkward fall, but Kenny's good to go.
9 points, I guess, in that
season. Pido at the corner. He fakes. He fires. He scores.
with Jimboy, ron ng chance to score.
One more chance. Pido found an opening, and he goes all the way for 2. Pass on to Sumang. 4 on the shot clock. Cross court, Comboy. This is a big one. Ino Comboy. That's good. It's a 1-possession game. Roy Sumang against JJ Pido. There's the feed. Cañete will score.
Good quick read on that curl by here.
Sumang onto Comboy. Not much space. Comboy left wide open. No good for the tie. Rebound, Kenny Rocakurba. Somebody has to foul. There it is. 2 more free throws to seal the game. Pido remains perfect. Gotta pray for a miracle here. Ino Comboy. No good. And Binyan will defend its home court.